Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our channel Career Alerts. Friends, today we are going to discuss about some important openings from various MNC companies. So they are from British Telecom Company for the trainee associate network planners vacancies, and from the Amazon company, so they are recruiting cloud support associates, so which is in Bangalore location, and another openings from Flex International Limited. So they are recruiting junior financial analysts, so which is the location is in Chennai, and the openings from Genpact. So they are taking freshers in Pune and Hyderabad location, and from the Excel Dynamics company. So they are hiring in several positions according to the requirement, and from the Kriti company, so which is recruiting marketing managers for corporate gifting company, and the another openings are from the Able Design Engineering Services Private Limited. So they are taking for 4 positions for the freshers. The job location is in Hubli, and from the company Nokia, so they are taking technical writers. The location is in Bangalore, and from the company Philips, so they are recruiting in various positions in various departments according to the experience, and from the company Kalyani Infrastructure Limited, so they are taking in several positions for several openings. So these are all the notifications. So in this video we are going to discuss. Friends, if you are the first time visiting our channel, so do consider subscription, because so we regularly use to update latest job updates. And if you like this video, please like this video. Okay friends, so let's get started. So for the first company is British Telecom Company. Friends, it is situated actually based on London. Okay, so they are giving openings for the trainee associate network planners. So the job location is in Gurgaon, Haryana. So they are taking freshers for their freshers who have finished BTech. So all the BTech finished candidates except civil and mechanical. So the passed out year is 2019 and 20 batches. So they are eligible to apply for these vacancies. So the required skills are mentioned here, and the key responsibilities are also mentioned here. So you can see here the other facilities. So if they selected you, so the facilities are insurance coverage up to 6 lakhs they will give you, and you are eligible for IJP after completing 18 months, and door-to-door pickup drop facility within 50 kilometers of service zone. Okay friends, so anyone who have finished their BTech except in civil or mechanical, so they can apply for this post in this British Telecom Company. So I will give this link in the description, so you can click and apply. Okay friends, so let us go to the another notification, that is from Amazon. So Amazon is recruiting a cloud support associates in its Bangalore location. So anyone who are interested to apply for this post, so they can apply. I will give the link in the description. So the basic qualification they are asking is bachelor's degree in engineering in one of the branches, that is CSE, IT, ECE or EEE, or so the candidates who have finished their MCA with aggregate percentage of 65%, so they are also eligible to apply this post. Friends, so you can see that these posts are exclusively for the freshers. So and what are the preferred qualifications by the company? So actually, so they are preferring the candidates who have a preferred qualification in basics in OS concepts, Linux, Unix systems administrations, and so basic knowledge in networking database, exposure to cloud computing. Friends, I will give this link in description. So if you are interested, then you can click and apply. Okay friends, so let us go to another notification, that is from the Flex International Limited. So they are recruiting for the junior financial analyst post, so which is in cost accounting solutions. So the location is in Chennai. So I will give the link in description. Friends, here the fellows who have finished their BCom, BBA in finance, or MCom or MBA in finance. So either they are freshers or having any experience 2 to 4 years. So directly they are eligible to apply for these posts. Friends, I will give this link in description. So if you are eligible, you can apply. Okay friends, so let us go to another notification, that is from Genpact. So they are recruiting freshers for the post of process associate customer service. Friends, this location is in Pune and Hyderabad. So any graduate who have finished their graduation in 2019 and 20 batch, they are directly eligible to apply for these posts. Here you can see the job description and responsibilities, and the minimum qualification should be freshers are also eligible and minimum graduation in any discipline. Okay, so preferred qualifications are, so any previous experience in a customer service role, chat or email or voice are preferred. So effective probing skills and analyzing understanding skills, analytical skills with customer centric approach, excellent proficiency with written English and with natural English accent. Okay friends, you should be able to work on a flexible schedule including weekend shifts also. Okay, I will give this link in description. You can directly apply if you are eligible and interested. Okay friends, so let us go to another notification, so which is from the Excel Dynamics Solution Unlimited. Friends, so they are hiring for various positions in various departments. So the package is around 4 to 9 lakhs per annum. So I will give the link in the description, so you can click and apply. And the operations are, so in financial analyst and calling specialist, and in the marketing department, so they are asking for the candidates content specialists and senior graphic designers. And in the admin and HR and accounts department also they are taking some positions. Okay friends, so here HR executive, HR offshore, senior accounts executives, and in the IT department, so they are taking application support engineers, front-end developers, information security officers, IT help desk, software testers, senior software developers and system engineers. Okay friends, prior education or experience in finance is not mandatory for financial analyst role. Friends, and that means so you can apply if you are fresher also. Necessary training will be provided on the job. Okay friends, the job locations are Navi Mumbai, Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Chennai, Guwahati, Indore, Jaipur, Kochi, Kolkata, Lucknow, Mysore, Noida, Pune and Bangalore. So if you are interested to apply in this company, so directly you can click the link and apply. So I will give this link in the description. Okay friends, apply the suitable roles as early as possible. Okay, this notification is from Hyderabad location. So they are taking for the marketing managers. So corporate gifting organization is client of Go Barefoot. So the qualification they are requiring is MBA PGDM. So the candidates who have finished their MBA, so they are eligible to apply. The work location is in Hyderabad only. So you can see the roles and responsibilities in this job. So are these. So I will give this link in description. So if you are interested to apply, then you can click and apply for this post. Okay friends, so let's go to another notification. It is from Able Design Engineering Services Private Limited, and the job location is in Hubballi. Friends, so they are taking a HR recruiter for 4 positions. Freshers are also can apply. So who have finished their MBA, so bachelor's or masters, so they can eligible to apply this post. If you are interested, then you can forward your resume to this email address, and also for any assistance you can call this number, and for any feedback you can also contact to this email address. Okay friends, so let us go to another notification, so which is, we know that this is from Nokia. So Nokia India is recruiting technical writers in its Bangalore location. So experienced persons are eligible, so they should have some minimum experience. So if you click the link in the description, it will give you the total information regarding this post. So the qualification is BE BTech. So who have finished in their CSE, IT, ECE and Telecom Engineering, they are eligible to apply. The requirements are here, you can see here. So this link I will give you in description. Okay friends, so let us go to another notification. This is from Philips company. Friends, so in various departments with various qualifications they are asking. So for the mechanical post, who have finished their mechanical engineering and having 10 to 15 years relevant experience, so they can apply for a post in Philips company. So I will give the link in description. For the software engineers who have finished 7+ years, so in its Bangalore location, so they are recruiting. And also for the application software development, so they are recruiting for the software engineers who have finished minimum 2 years experience. So I will give this link also in the description. And for software technologist post, so they are giving for the 4+ years experienced persons in its Bangalore location. I will give the link in description. Okay friends, here also there is one post, so which is for the product owner. So friends, so here they have not mentioned any experience in the description. So that is why I think it is for freshers. So You click this link in the description and you see that you observe the complete notification details. If you are eligible or if you are interested, then you can click and apply in the Philips company. Okay friends, and the another notification is from Kalyani Infrastructure. Friends, so they are taking some openings in marketing executive. So two posts are there. Freshers also can apply who have finished their MBA or any graduation. Friends, industrial sales experience only they consider. So the job location is in Pune, MITC location. For the planning engineer post, there are two posts. Freshers also can apply. Qualification is Masters of Constructions Management. Site engineer, there are two vacancies. They have minimum 1 to 2 years experience. The qualification is BE Civil Engineering. And Estimation Engineering, two posts are there. So experience should be minimum 1 to 2 years. So only female candidates are eligible to apply for this estimation engineer post. Okay friends, so any interested candidates are eligible candidates, so they can update their resume and forward to this email address. If you have any doubts, then you can call this number and clarify. Okay friends, so the address is this, you can see here. So I will give the official website also in the description. You can see and check it. Friends, another notification is, so simply it is a think tank's next startups notification, which is about Atmanirbhar Bharat. Friends, anyone interested to go through this notification, so I will give the link in the description. Simply you can click and go through this notification. Okay friends, so these are all the total notifications. So I hope you understand. If you think it's very useful to you, then don't forget to like our video. Thank you for watching Career Alerts. Jai Hind.